Welcome to the wonderful world of factors. So a factor is a number that divides exactly into a bigger number. So one way of finding all the factors of a number is to list the factor pairs, like in this example here. Now we have the factor pairs of 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and then we simply write those factor pairs in a line as a list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. Let's just remember always that 1 is always a factor of a whole number, and then the largest factor of a number is the number itself. So in this example, we're looking at 12, and don't forget 1. Okay, so we're going to do an example here, 24. Let's list all the factors of 24 by using the factor pairs. So I'll just move this up here. Okay, so 24 we'll start with. So 1, so we'll start at the bottom, or the smallest. 1 times 24. Then we have 2 times 12. Is 3 a factor? Yes, 3 times 8. And 4 is 4. Yes, 4 times 6. And how about 5? No, 5 does not go into 24, so 5 is not a factor. The next number we look at is 6, but we already have that factor pair, which means that we've actually covered every single factor pair. So now we can list the factors of 24, and we'll in ascending order, which means from smallest to largest, so we list them down, and then we'll list them back up this side, okay? So the factor pairs are the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Okay, so fairly straightforward. Let's try factors of 125 by using factor pairs. So 1 and 125. Can 2 go into 125? No. How about 3? Well, 3 goes evenly into 12 4 times with 0 remainders, but it doesn't go into 5 evenly. Okay, so 3 isn't. How about 4? Same thing with 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times with no remainder, but it doesn't go into 5. So how about 5? Okay, I have a feeling 5 is a factor because 125 ends in a 5. So let's have a look here. So 5, oops, it's pretty messy. 5 goes into 12 twice with 2 remainders. So 5 into 25 goes 5 times. So we've got 5 times 25 is a factor, a factor pair. Okay, so how about 6? Nope. 7? No. You could try all of these by using your calculator. And we keep listing them in our head. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12. And we go all the way up to 25, and then 25, yes. But 25 is times 5, so we've done all of our factor pairs. Okay, so in the end, you wouldn't need to write all of these. You just write the ones that do have a factor pair. So what I've just circled, you would write. So the factors of 125 in ascending order are 1, 5, 25, and 125. Okay, and our last question we'll do, factors of 225. This is a big one, okay? So 1 times 225. 2, no, it's not an even number. 3, you could use division, short or long, and find out that 3 times 75 is 125. 4 doesn't go in. but 5 does. You could use long or short division or your calculator. 5 goes in 45 times, so 5 times 45 is a factor pair. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, you could do your long division, and you'd find out that 9 times 25 is 225. 10, no. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. 14, no. 15. Yes, 15 times 15. This is actually a square number, which we'll get into talking about in another section. Okay, so, and then 15 and 15, you see we've looped back around again. Okay, there's our factor pair, 15 and 15. So we could go 16, 17, 18, 19, no, all the way up to 25, which would bring us here. So we've looped around, so we're done. So factors of 125 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 25, 45, 75, and 225. All right, and we have our fabulous little chicken who has come to watch us today, and I thought I'd just add him in for a bit of interest, because right now, while I'm recording this, it's nearly Easter, and so we have these gross little funny chickens around our house. So hello everybody. Whoops, wrong thing. Okay, clearly I have some work to do. Anyway, that's factors.